Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, I'm going to be making a video on how to get Super Smash Bros. Onto your iOS device. Now, a lot of you probably already know how to do this, but this is a video I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, and I believe the older videos I've done on this were outdated, so I did want to remake this video in a more updated manner of a way that more likely wouldn't get patched. So anyways, this is a smaller version of Super Smash Bros, almost like a demo sort to say. Now, you could go with the Nintendo 64 emulator and do it that way if you guys want. That's also always an option. But yeah, so before I jump right into this video, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Alright guys, so as you see, I am on my iPhone now. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to the link inside of the description. Once you guys are there, it should look something like this. Scroll down until you find download app, click that, then go ahead and click allow, click install in the top right hand corner, input the passcode of your iOS device, and once that is all done, go ahead and find TweakBox somewhere on your device. So for me, I already have it installed, so I hit cancel. Then I'm just going to go to the folder I have it tucked away inside of. And then I'm going to click X on the ad, go over to apps, scroll down until you find TweakBox apps. Then you can hit the search bar and type in iSSB, or you can look for it, which I'm going to do after I click on install. So once you click on it, go ahead and click on install, click install again. Now if you guys don't want to search for it, you can scroll down until you find iSSB, which is here it is right there, which I found just by scrolling through. Then once that is done, guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead, open up the settings app. Once you guys do that, go ahead and go all the way to general. Once you guys find general, which I'm looking for right now, go ahead and click on that, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then look for profiles and device management, click that, click on enterprise app, then you should see an option to click trust, click that, then click trust again, and then you'll be good to go, and it'll look just like that. Then go ahead, open up iSSB, click OK on the pop-up. If an ad does come up, just click X on it and you guys should be fine. Go ahead and tap anywhere on the screen, and as you guys can see, I am currently playing iSSB. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a character to play as, and let's go ahead and let's beat the shit out of Mario. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm doing bad. I got this. But yeah, as you guys can see, I am playing Super Smash Bros. Right now. It is pretty fun to play time to time again. It's not something, it's not something I would like choose to play on my phone. I'm probably going to uninstall it after I'm done with this video. But yeah, this is a video I did want to make for a little while. I thought this is actually probably one of my favorite third-party apps is this one right here, just because of how much work had to have gone into making the app. So that's basically going to be just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.